If you're looking for this tool, this is called the Platinum Smart Card. It is a very, very stiff plastic, very hard plastic. It's very thick around the edges for structure, and it's very thin in the middle for flexibility, but it still retains its rigidness, okay? Because this card is so hard, I would not recommend you even consider touching this card to raw film. After you've installed the film, if you want to try to use this card on the film, you're probably going to scratch it, but that's not what this card's really designed for. This card is very helpful and useful when we are, dealing with window film before we install it. If we want to put a piece of film on a glass on the outside, maybe we're going to get ready to shrink it on a side window, back window, this is the card we'll typically pull out because we can anchor the film with it. Now remember, we're going to be scratching it, but we're scratching the release liner that's facing us, which we'll discard anyway, so it doesn't matter. But this card is going to help us manage the film on the outside of the glass. It'll help us in shrinking. If we want to use it to shrink, we'll shrink the film, push, shrink, push, and this is the card. I love this card. This one I'm going to keep on every car. I'm going to use it on every car. The price is right. These cards are easily maintained, and if they do get a little rough, we're okay. We're using them on the outside. But the plastic material on this card is very similar to the Platinum Easy Reach. This is just another design to help us with another function in automotive window tinting. The Platinum Smart Card. You need one today.